Hey, welcome back to my channel. It was all about skills, at least for the 21st century. World Economic Forum testifies the importance of having soft skills if you want to excel in your personal and professional life in the next 5 years. You know what? Books like these have taught me more than anything else in the school and college. The reason being, school does not teach you how to solve a problem. It does not allow you to think critically, think out of box, and most importantly, it does not let you think about money. Whereas when you talk about internet and the new world that resides on the internet, it's all about critical thinking, thinking out of box, problem solving skills, and most importantly, you need to learn how to make money online. World Economic Forum has issued a report that talks about top 10 skills everyone needs to have, and surprisingly, you can learn these skills inside 6 months. If you look at this report, 50% of employees need to reskill and adopt new in-demand skills before 2025, and you can learn all these skills inside 6 months. Here are the top 10 skills of 2025. On the top of the list is analytical thinking and innovation. If you can think analytically, if you can think innovative, you are in demand. The second skill in demand is active learning and learning strategies, which means that you're hands down and you can learn new things and you can learn new strategies that could help evolve your business or the organization you work for. The third on the list is complex problem solving. Learn how to solve a problem. This was one of the most in-demand skills few years back, and it's surging all the way to the top just because if you can solve a problem, you are in demand. The fourth one being critical thinking and analysis, self-explanatory of course. The fifth is creativity, originality and initiative. In future, humans are going to combat for many jobs against robots. What does this mean? It means that many of the jobs will be taken over by robots and machines in the future. Jack Ma warned us about robots and machines competition in the future, but the thing is, robots are not compassionate. They do not possess empathy. And if you can think out of box, if you can think creative, you are a resource that is going to be in huge demand in the future. Leadership and social influence, of course, a creative thinker, a problem solver, someone who thinks out of box, someone who can solve a problem is a leader. Technology use, monitoring and control, self-explanatory. Again, technology design and programming. Technology design and programming means that you are able to create robots, cobots for that matter, that could help humans in the future. Resilience, stress, tolerance and flexibility. Amid COVID-19, resilience, stress tolerance and of course flexibility is in high demand because many people are working remotely, and you've got to combat all the factors such as staying inside your homes, working in silos and not being able to work with the team you were previously used to work with. So working in silos actually requires huge challenges, huge temperament. So therefore resilience is in high demand after COVID-19. Last but not the least, reasoning, problem solving and ideation, which means that if you can come up with a rational reasoning, if you can come up with problem solving skills, then of course you are in demand. The reason why World Economic Forum has introduced these top 10 soft skills is because these soft skills are never taught in schools. But if you want to excel in your professional life, be it working for your employer as an employee, or if you are doing business and self-employed, if you lack these skills in the future, you are going to be replaced by your competitor who probably would excel in these soft skills. So you got to learn these soft skills if you want to become a successful employee or a successful business person in the future.